These are the very nice old muscle cars and modern cars and really nice sports bikes I saw today at this car show. Here's a Ducati Panigale. Here's a Lamborghini Gallardo. Lifted Chevy. Nice green Ford. Corvette. Edmonton Police Ford Mach Mustang. Corvette C8. McLaren 720S.
I think let's go. This is a badass Ford Raptor. That's a nice Ford. Look at that. Same. I like that. I like that color.
That Mustang scary.
This one, I'm scared of this one. I'm scared. I'm covering my ears just in case.
Another Nissan. There's a lot of Porsches as well. And the Huracan. Yeah. Another view of the McLaren 720S. The Nissan GT-R R35. Porsches, Audi R8s. There was a lot of Audi R8s as well. I have a lot of pictures of the McLaren 720S. Same with the Lamborghini. This Lamborghini has butterfly doors. I even saw a Mustang with butterfly doors. It was crazy. That's the Mustang that has the butterfly doors.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, that's the General Lee horn.
Yeah. Why?
That's the General Lee horn. The movie.
Oh yeah. Well, what is it? This is awesome.
No, I mean, how many charges you went through in the show?
I'm Dad. This is badass.
This is when I got to sit in the side Lambo. I've sat in my phone, now Lamborghini. Sat in my two. Here's one of my favorite videos. The Rev.
Audi R8s. butterfly doors open.
Another McLaren.
This is crazy, guys. This is my first time ever being at a car meet.
Porsches. It's a nice Porsche too.
Here's a McLaren 720S.
Badass. Another Lamborghini Aventador. Acura NSX. There's another Lamborghini. Another Lamborghini. Another orange one. More Porsches. Here's more pictures of the Audi R8s. Audi R8s, I meant. White Lamborghini Gallardo with red rims. Nice truck. Corvette C8, Acura NSX, McLaren 570S. It's the Red Bull truck. Here's another McLaren 720S. McLaren, I forgot which type this is. I think it's the 650S. The blue beside is another 570S. Corvette C8. Audi R8, another one. Ferrari. Here's another Ferrari. So Ferraris. My dad said this truck is fast. Porsche. Another Lamborghini. Convertible. F4. Another Audi R8. Two Lamborghini Uruses. The black one is the new one that last time I went to Sherwood Motor Cars, it wasn't there. Just got shipped apparently. Nice.
Sherwood Motors.
So my bad. Sherwood Motors, I meant. Here's the back view. Here's the back view of the McLaren 570S. The blue one. Yeah, I think this is the 650S. Yes, it is. Nice. Here's the Lamborghini Huracan convertible. More pictures of the McLaren and McLarens. Here's another McLaren 720S. This is the one that I got to sit in the last time I went to this place. This place is awesome. New Ferrari. This wasn't there when I went there the last time I went. So this is new. And they got a Ford GT. This is my first time ever seeing one in person. It's crazy.
3, 2, 1, go!
This is when there was a rev contest. There were so many cars doing it. It was crazy loud. More pictures of a Lambo. This is the Mustang with the butterfly doors. No way! I just realized that this Lamborghini's license, this guy's white Lamborghini License plate says yes, sir. Oh my god. And that's a Mustang. Funny motorbike.